Hello and welcome to a new episode of Mostly Engineering and another part in our Enigma build series. Or better to say, our first side project within the Enigma build series. So, as you probably know, a part of the idea to replicate an Enigma machine came from building a puzzle box where you are one of the code breakers in Bletchley Park, and you already saw my rotor design from the puzzle box. And today I want to show you the Enigma machine, which parts you have to retrieve and then set up correctly in order to break the codes and win the game. And the machine will be also available separately, and I thought you might be interested in this. So let's go over to the close-up and take a closer look. So, and here we have our machine. Comes in a really nice and simple cardboard box, and if you open it, we first find the machine card and then 12 code sheets, so good enough for an entire year. And you will also get a template to make up your own sheets. And below this we have the machine ourselves. So here it is. Looks really nice, and below the machine we have the 2 additional rotors to make a complete set of 5. So, and here we have our machine in a little bit more detail, and to code a message with it, we would set it up exactly like a real Enigma. So choose the 3 rotors of the day, and then we would take each rotor, and in this little window we would have our ring setting for the day. So let's take 20 for example, secure it with the bolt, and then we have the rotor setting, and according to this we place it in the machine. So let's take a 6 for example, put it in, do exactly the same for the other 2 remaining rotors, and then we can start typing in the message over here. So let's take an E for Enigma. So we have the E over here, and here we would have our coded message. And if we want to decode the message, we have to set up the machine in exactly the same way. And then we type in the coded message over here, and we can read off the plain text on this side. Very nice, it's as simple as that. So as you can see, the machine is clearly in German, but it will be also available in English if this is the language you prefer. And on the lower back side we will have the company logo like here, but also lots of space for customization. So if you want to give it as a present, for example, we can have a personalized message on the back or something like this. Later on we will also have a more premium version where the tooth wheels, for example, are made out of metal, and the rotors are made out of metal and high quality acrylics, and the body of the machine will be made out of real wood instead of this MDF material over here. So, but this still needs a little bit of work, especially with the engraving, because you see the G over here is not really readable as a G. So this still needs a little bit of work, and this is also the version you will get within the puzzle box. So that's basically it for the side project. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, comments, as always, let me know down below. And if you want to pick one up for yourself, first of all, you would make me really happy. And second, the link to my Etsy store is in the video description. So thank you very much, and all that's left to say now is thanks for watching, and see you at the next time. Bye bye.